In this video, I am going to show you how to find the area and volume of sphere and hemisphere. Let us start with sphere. Here is the sphere with radius r. The area can be found by 4 pi r square. If we want in terms of d, we can get 4 pi as radius is half the diameter, d over 2 square. So in this way we get 4 pi d square over 4, so we got pi d square. Similarly, if we want to find the volume, we can use the formula 4 over 3 pi r cube. If we want to find the volume for sphere, we can use 4 over 3 pi r cube. In terms of d, 4 over 3 pi d over 2 cube. So 4 over 3 pi d cube over 8. 4 times 2 is 8. So we got pi over 6 d cube. So in this way we can find area and volume of a sphere. Similarly, if we want to see it for hemisphere, let us talk about total surface area of hemisphere. So hemisphere is made up of the circle over here, which is pi r square, and the curved surface, which is denoted by this green area over here, is 2 pi r square. So the total surface area can be found by adding pi r square to 2 pi r square to get 3 pi r square. So if you want it in terms of d, we can replace r by d. 3 pi r is d over 2 square, which is 3 pi d square over 4. It's 3 over 4 pi d square. If we want to find the volume of a hemisphere, which is volume of sphere over 2, as hemisphere is half the sphere, we can get 4 over 3 pi r cube over 2, which is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Also, if you want to find it in terms of d, you will get 2 over 3 pi r is d over 2 cube. If we want to solve, we will get 2 over 3 pi d cube over 8. 2 times 4 is 8, so we got pi d cube over 12. In this way we can find the volume of hemisphere. Now let us say an example where radius is given as 21 centimeter. We are supposed to find the area and volume of a sphere. So area of sphere is 4 pi r square. The value of r is 21 square. So if we're gonna calculate, we will get 5544 centimeter square. The unit is very important. Area is always square unit, centimeter square, whereas volume is in cubical form. In this case it will be in centimeter cube. Now let us find the volume. Volume of a sphere is given by 4 over 3 pi r cube. If we're gonna replace r with 27 and pi with 22 over 7 times, our r is 21 and we have to cube it. If we calculate using the calculator, we'll get the value as 38808 centimeter cube. In this way we can easily find the area and volume of a sphere. Now let us see how to calculate the area and volume of hemisphere. Since hemisphere is made up of circle and the curved surface with 2 pi r square, the total surface area will be pi r square, this area, plus 2 pi r square, this area. So pi r square plus 2 pi r square equals to 3 pi r square. If we're gonna replace r with 21, we get 3 22/7 is the value of pi, and r is 21 centimeter. If we're gonna square it and calculate it by using the calculator, we can find 4158 centimeter square. So this is the area of a hemisphere. Similarly, if we want to find the volume of the hemisphere, we can use formula 2/3 pi r cube, since volume of hemisphere is half the sphere. 2/3, the value of pi is 22/7 times r is 21. If you want to cube it and calculate it by using calculator, we will get 19404 centimeter cube. So the volume will be 19404 centimeter cube. Stay safe and healthy. Thank you.